That is pretty high up there, isn't it, buddy? Wow, that is crazy. What are you doing up there anyway, buddy? Are you catching the birds, Bill? Careful, don't fall or break your neck, go. If you do, I'll call the ambulance for you. 100% that I'll do that for you. Cause I wouldn't wanna see you break your neck. Wouldn't wanna see you break that neck. I can see you in your head in my mind. I can see you facing me, baby, mama. Put it down on me, put it down on me. Wow, that is a crazy level to be at. Crazy. Wow. Hello, Budski. Whoa, that is crazy level to be at, man. That's crazy. Why? People crazy to be that high. High off the ground. Why? I know you independent. I know you shaking from your mama. It's a weird bird up there. Freaking hell! It's gotta be a crazy weird bird up there. It's a freaking crazy bird. It's a crazy bird up there. I think it's a crazy bird up there. I guarantee it's a crazy bird up there. It's one of the crazy birds I never ever seen. He's got a head like a funny, funny head. I don't know about his beak, I can't see. What a funny, funny thing. Never ever, ever have I ever seen a funny, funny, funny bird like that. Hey. Hello, birdie. Hello, birdie. Hello, birdie. Pretty birdie, pretty birdie. Pretty birdie, pretty birdie. No, I'm whistling at these birds up here. They're like weird birds up here. Hey, birdie, birdie, birdie. Fly down here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Look at this bird up here. It's real weird. Oh my gosh. I'll show you. Wait, I'll come and show you in a minute. That's one weird crazy bird up there. What the freaking hell? I've never seen such a weird creature. Oh my gosh. It looks like it's got a goanna head or something. Half bird, half goanna. It's like one goanna on top of another goanna. And then it's like a bird on top of a bird. Weird. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I gotta put